Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art. My name is Zelda from the Fairy Realm and today I'm going to show you how to dot diamonds. So if you've been following me, this is how far we have come. So I'm thinking we're going to do the diamonds in this open space between the petals. I think we should use color number 2. The reason for that is because color number 1 is already very prominent in this row, so I think we should go with color number 2, which is the wave blue. And then we're also going to be using the 3mm tool to make the diamonds in between here. Okay, so I think let's get started. So the first dot we're going to do on the straight line, as close to our circle that we build as possible without touching. Dots are just one of those species who doesn't like to get married. My students joke and they say, oh, my dots got married whenever they touch. The second layer, we're going to do one dot on each side of the straight line. So one there and one on that side. One here and on that side. Then for row number 3, we're going to do the dot on the straight line first. Okay. Then we're going to do one on each side. Come on. Topaz kitty cat. I think she's bored. One on each side. The reason why we do the center one first is just to make sure that our dots line up properly when it comes to the straight line. Because if you're going to be starting at one end and your center dot is off, then it's not going to look evenly spaced. And it's going to start looking skew, which we don't really want. So far so good. So now we have the bottom piece of our diamonds. Now I'm going to add the top piece. So now we do the top 2 and then the last one. So again, one on each side of the straight line and then one in the center. And there we have it. And that is what our diamonds look like. If you have a look at the whole picture, I think that is a nice addition to our piece. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this magical journey this week. I hope to see you guys again next time. Keep magical, keep dotty. Bye-bye.
Every single